Hi, I'm Amy. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you one of my most favorite recipes, and it is so easy. All you need is Nutella and 4 eggs. That is it. Okay, so what we're going to do first is we're going to put 4 eggs into the mixer. First, what we're going to do is measure out a cup of Nutella. Okay, so I have my 4 eggs in here. My Nutella is cooking in the microwave on low for about a minute. And now what we're going to do is we are going to mix our eggs for 8 minutes on high. Okay, I beat my eggs for 8 minutes and it will get very foamy. After you've done that, all you have to do is you're going to put your Nutella in your eggs. And now we're going to gently fold the Nutella in. Now I do fold mine into it looks about like this, and then I'm going to put it back in the mixer, but I'm not going to put it on high. I'm going to let it just mix just a little bit. Okay, I've gently mixed in my Nutella. Then you need parchment paper, and we're going to make a sling. I'm going to put one this way, and then I'm going to put the other one this way. There we go. And usually I have a hard time getting it to stay in here, so we're going to cheat a little. That's what chip clips are for. We're going to spray it with some non-stick cooking spray. Okay, now my Nutella brownies are ready to go in the oven. They usually cook about 35 minutes to 40 minutes. It depends on your oven. So I would check them frequently at about 30 minutes and just put a toothpick in it until it comes out clean. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed Nutella brownies. I hope you'll enjoy these as much as my family does. Have a wonderful day.